Sunday, June 1st, Seaside Park Ocean updates. A lot of sets breaking on filming. Water temperature this morning dropped 56.6. You have a low tide coming up at, let me check the watch, 6:25. High tide a little before 1 o'clock. West wind this morning, should say west all day. Waves are looking knee to occasionally thigh high. The pop-up surprise swell yesterday is gone, but it's still longboardable. So yeah, look for fun longboard waves this morning at the lower tide, and once the sun starts really cooking the beach later, even though the temperature is only going to be in the 60s, with the west wind, it should be a pretty decent beach day. So yeah, that's the update. Hope everybody has a great Sunday.